Let's take a quick look at the 2024 Magnitude. Starting off with our driving console, we feature leather seats. This is on a F600 XLT package. Surround vision here. All your camera system. This is going to feature incredible LED light over in the bunk area. Pull this in together to create a nice queen sleeping space, and look at the size of that television. We got a large swing arm, right? So we can bring it straight into the living room for viewing in your theater seating. Sit right down and that'll swing right over, hang out right over top of your dinette. So also switch out into a bed. Got a bunch of pull-out storage built in these things. Wireless controller. Move on to our hard surface countertops. Double sink here, right, with the divider. Got both a propane and electric. One of my favorite microwaves of all time. Ready to air fry, cook, whatever you want to throw its way. Look at this huge refrigerator that we have built into this. This is a General Electric. Great brand. A radius shower with marble-esque backing, his and hers cabinets, and perfect small sink, just enough to wash your hands. We got a massive storage space here, and then you could also have your pantry. You'll notice there's just drawers on drawers on drawers, space on space that they're having these things, and overheads all the way through, even on the other side. We'll come out here and see the bed that they have in here. Overhead storage. Got a ladder. Multiple drawers. And a big old television. Let's take a look at the outside of this Magnitude next. We're featuring full body paint on this Magnitude. Like I said, this is a Super Duty. This is an F600 series. Beautiful blacked out cap for privacy. And this actually, we have a hidden feature in here. This has actually got our custom liquid springs in here. That's a massive upgrade for your ride. It provides an air-like override feel. Love the color paint that they did on this. Slide topper. Huge outdoor storage. I mean, just look at that pass-through. Right, and this all remain. This is all in here. You can put your fishing poles, anything like that. We've got lighting, right? And this is all plastic, so you're never gonna have to worry about that rotting or anything. We got a drain plug too if you got your ice in there and it melts. Already hooked up, right? So if you want to tow, ladder, go to our top. Let's come around. This is gonna be the other side of our pass-through here. Look how shiny that is. You can even see me in it. Bam. Got our furnace. Woo! It's blowing hot. Then come around. This is where we're gonna store our LPs. And then our outside entertainment, baby. That's an all seasons TV right there.